Muzaffar for my YouTube channel Positive Academy. Today morning I have just made a video regarding sunlight I was in, and face is the only thing through which people see you or people judge you. When someone doesn't remember your name, he or she can remember your face, your facial expression. So face matters a lot. We almost do each and everything to make our face good from exteriorly, from outer end. But what about inner side? What about our inner health? We need to focus on that. When we detox our body, when we get rid of toxins from our body, our face will automatically look good. When we eat plant-based food, plant-based diet, we will automatically shift our vibration, and indeed we will look beautiful, amazing, great. So I will also put that video which I have made in the morning regarding sunlight and sun gazing. And sun is the supreme source of energy. It's a powerhouse of energy. Everything in this universe is energy only, and sun is the highest form of energy. So it is through sun you can get so many stuff. You can get energy and all that. Your all cells will be cleaned up. Your body will get detox when you are into sunlight, particularly in the morning around 8 to 9 a.m. in the morning. So I also took that sun bath. It helps in vitamin D. It helps in cognitive function, brain function. It has so many immense benefits. Sun gazing and taking sun bath. Yet we take sun as for granted. We take nature as for granted. We think that science is the only way through which we can cure anything. But remember, nature is the only thing that can cure anything. No one is superior above nature. Even science is below nature. No one can challenge nature. No one can challenge the celestial objects that are created by God, the supreme power. Right? So sun is one of the celestial objects. It is a powerhouse of energy. You need to function according to the form of sun, according to the energy of sun. When you wake up in the morning, you must wake up during the time of sunrise, and your energy level at that time will be high. And when the sun sets in the evening, this is the time you need to go to bed, and at that time your energy level will be down, because our body functions as per that of sun. There is a biological clock in our body. That's the reason you may find that almost all the people who just go to night shift, they doesn't make it into night shift. Why? Because their biological clock is disturbed, because they are not in accordance with that of sun energy, with the levels of sun. Due to which they suffer so many problems in the body. Their thinking, they suffer from depression, anxiety, and due to which they shift to pills, taking drugs. This is the most important negative side effect of working in night shift, and why you should avoid night shift, and why you should always take rest during the night. Night time is meant for rest, right? It is that time where sun is also at rest. So sun is so much powerful. When you gaze sun, your eyesight will also improve. But do gaze in the morning, approximately around the rise of the sun, and not at 12 p.m. because at 12 p.m. the UV radiations are much more intense and it can harm your vision. But when you sun gaze in the morning, early in the morning, your eyesight will improve. Such is the power of sun. When sun rays fall on your head, it activates all the tissues and cells all over the body. All the chakras get balanced when you are having sun bath early in the morning. There are 7 energy centers in our body. So all the chakras will automatically get balanced when you take sun bath. Such is the importance, such is the power of sun. So I encourage you highly to take sun bath early in the morning wherever possible, and be exposed to nature. Go out in nature, connect with nature. You can learn so many things from nature. Nature doesn't rush, yet nature accomplishes. I have already made a video regarding that. That we humans always rush to do all the activities, to do multitasking, to do whatever we can each and every day. But does nature rush? No. Nature works according to their time, with peace, with patience, with consistency. Every season comes at particular time, regularly. It doesn't rush. It does one thing at a one time. So we must learn so many things from nature. And nature heals almost everything. Whether you are suffering from depression, anxiety, or any negativity feeling, when you are into nature, when you see some mountains, some river, some peaceful thing, even if you see a photo of garden or something, you will find peace within. You will find happiness. Because color also plays a very much important role in one life. And when you are into nature, you will automatically get healed. So such is the importance of nature, such is the importance of sun. It is also said that according to the powerhouse energy of the sun, you need to take the food. The food intake also must be like that of sun. That's the reason there is a specific time for meal. But so many of us doesn't understand that particular time which we are having for taking our meal. It is great for our health. It is very much useful for our well-being. That's the reason you need to take breakfast like a king, dinner like a prince, and dinner like beggar, and lunch like a prince. That's the importance of Ayurveda and nature. Both go simultaneously. So in this video, I just wanted to tell you the importance of nature, the importance of sun bath. So connect with nature. Get rid of this infrastructure building where you don't find even wind also coming, when you hardly find the sunlight entering your house. Go out and enjoy life. Life is one time opportunity. Make it count. Make it each day count. Work each and every day. Be productive. Improve yourself. Right. So this is Uday from Positive Academy. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. We can become whatever we want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. I hope you are enjoying this content. If you like this video, do hit the like button and also share to someone who doesn't know the importance of nature, the importance of sunlight. Right? Peace.